Traders, Anthony here, looking at UKOIL Brent. I posted this snapshot a few moments ago. I'm looking for a short opportunity. That's a daily time frame. We'll just quickly go to a 4-hour, and I mean, you can see that it's trading at the top of this range. It's been range bound, between these two levels. So I'm thinking possibly we see something similar. Now, the other thing that has influenced my analysis on this is historical data. I really believe there's a seasonality aspect to this particular instrument. If we go back in time, and I've gone back and had a look at a couple, but you could click on the calendar thing down here, and let's say we go back to 23. We're looking for the same time, same channel. What do we got here? It's the 11, 12, the 8th, 9th of March. Let's just go back to the 9th of March 2023, 10th, 11th. Yeah, and you can see here the sell-off into March, going back into 2022, and it's always a good idea to do this. I generally look at the seasonality aspect with metals, indices, stock markets, all that kind of thing. 21, and it's a really interesting thing to do, especially when you see each period in time giving a similar outcome. Now we're looking for March. Okay, so we did have this sell-off and then a rally and then further downside through the month of March here. That's 2021. We'll go to 20, have a look at that. So same thing again. I like to go back 10 years and get a bit of an average over the 10. Well, this one didn't work out. That was bullish. Okay, so 1 out of 10 we have a bullish year. Go to 18. Okay, so 2. Let's just call it 2 out of 10. We'll go back to 17, bearish. So we're going to go back to 2014. So 17, 16, we're nearly there. So 2 so far have been bullish. We've got the sell-off here, 16, 15, a couple more, have a quick look. So the average has been the sell-off in March, pretty much, 15, 14. Let's see if we can get an 8 out of 10, bearish. There you go. So we've got 8 out of 10 have been bearish in March. Yeah, I mean, with that, and given the fact that we've traded into the high of this range, I'm thinking it retraces. And that's my analysis with UKOIL. I'd love to hear your comments. Share your ideas. That would be awesome. So with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.